Oh, we moved to New Zealand. Welcome to this edition. It's not going to be a whole lot, but we wanted to share what we did last weekend. We celebrated Sarah's birthday by going on a road trip to Wanaka, which was absolutely beautiful. So enjoy these 4 minutes of a mere sampling of the hundreds of pictures we took of the beautiful scenery. For context, Wanaka is, well, I think on a map is about a 3 or 4 hour drive from where we are in Christchurch, but we made a couple stops. That very first picture was at a roadside attraction of a large salmon, which we needed to take a look at. We definitely stopped by that beautiful blue lake. Sarah will have to update the name of it. I cannot remember. But here we took that small plane to Milford Sound, which was a beautiful fjord. And then on that, we got to go on a little boat cruise, but enjoy some of the aerial here.
You too.
Sarah got to sit shotgun in the airplane, which she said was really cool. I'm glad she got that opportunity. But here is the plane kind of coming in. He had to fly in between the mountains, and it was a really cool experience. And then we got to see some of the planes leave, and they looked like ants along the side of the mountain. So it was just kind of mind-boggling. There's Mr. Magooster and I boarding our boat. And now these next couple shots are going to be of us on the water, where, look at Sarah's highlight of the whole weekend was seeing those penguins. She's wanted to see the penguins, and I'm glad there were a couple there. It was an absolutely beautiful day, and that area gets around 200 days of rain. So the fact that we got to see it on such a beautiful day was amazing. In addition to penguins, you get to see some dolphins, getting some air. It was absolutely beautiful. Very cool thing to be a part of. So enjoy the last couple minutes of our wonderful trip. We moved to New Zealand.